The homeowners, Tommy, want to get rid of the bookcases, but they want to keep the paneling, so now we've got ourselves a pretty sizable patch.
Right. So what we did, we pulled the bookcase out here and we actually salvaged it. The reason is that we want to start with reusing this back of this cabinet. It's an oak panel.
Right.
We've already milled up some trim for our stiles and our base, and this is white oak, and it's got a chamfered edge.
Nice, okay.
Now on the base, we're actually done a couple of different things. We put a rabbet at the top of the base, so when this goes down, the panel will fit behind it, and the stiles will sit on flush.
Okay.
We're doing the same thing at the top, but in reverse.
Right.
The panels will go up and behind, and the stiles will sit there flush with this rail.
So in some cases we're milling up new oak, in other cases we're salvaging the old oak, but you know the homeowners have told us that they want to paint over this woodwork.
Right.
So why go through the trouble of using oak or salvaged oak? I mean, why not say MDF or poplar over here?
Well, if we use MDF or poplar and you sand it, it's really going to be smooth. And when you paint that, it's going to give you a different texture. And the homeowner doesn't want it to look like a patch.
All right.
All right, let's move this shelf over here so we can get to the back. All right, so what I want to do is, this is just nailed on with 5-penny box nails. So we can bang it off. Now, I don't worry about the edge too much. It's this centerpiece. I don't want to damage the oak.
Got it.
All right?
Go.
All right, perfect. All right, so now we already have a filler right here where the old wainscoting was behind the wall, and that's flush with the plaster. But I want to put a filler right here. You can see the plaster stops. I want to make sure that that's flush, so when we nail the panel to the wall, it won't bow in.
Okay.
This is just to fill it. Okay. Should have a mark right here.
Down a touch.
Good.
Little higher right there.
All right, let's check it.
As a level.
Okay, let's see. We want to tack the bottom corner. Okay, now just move it over just a hair, make it level. All right, so get right into my stud right there. Another stud here, and in the corner. Now we don't need a lot of nails because we want to put our stiles on top of the surface and nail right through it. Now we'll cut a panel for this corner right here. Good, thanks. We need to remove that piece of 3/4-inch baseboard because it doesn't go all the way to a corner. Now we want to remove it and replace it with a new one.
And 3/4.
The floor is really out of level, so we scribed the baseboard on one side to the corner. Then we mitered the corner and screwed it together. And we'll put it in as one piece. And I'll just slide it in under this stile here. Right here. Okay, good. I've taken 2 pieces of the stile and I've nailed and glued it together. We ripped off one of the bevels on one so it'll have a nice tight corner. Now we're ready to install it. The top of the baseboard is flat and it has a chamfered edge right here. I want the stile to come down and meet that, so I have to make two different cuts, a 90 for the back and a miter for the front. The next stile that's going to go on is the stile that goes against the casing. What we did is rip one of the bevel edges off so it'll sit tight against the casing. We'll assemble the top piece on the bench and then attach it to the wall. All right, let's see how this fits. Okay, good.
Look at that,
Right.
Tommy, huh? They'll never know it was patched.
Nope, a couple of coats of paint, looks brand new.
That's a thing of beauty. Nice job. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.